Have you ever clicked the perfect photo only to notice some random stranger ruining the background? Well, that frustration ends today, because I just found Magic Eraser AI tool, an insanely simple AI tool that can clean up your photos in just a few seconds. And the best part, it's 100% free and you don't even need to log in. Let me show you. Step 1, let's begin. Just hit the description link and you're on the Magic Eraser AI website. Magic Eraser is an AI photo editor that removes backgrounds, people, objects, and text in seconds. Completely free, no login needed. Here on the homepage, just go to Image Tools. Here you'll see a bunch of powerful AI tools. Let's start with the Auto Background People Remover. Step 2, Auto Background People Remover. You can see a clean interface. I'll upload a photo and just hit the Remove Now button. Watch this. The people in the background vanish instantly. It's already looking perfect. But if you want more control, you can still manually erase anything extra. That we'll cover in the next step. And once you're happy, just hit Download. Pretty cool, right? Step 3, Image Person Remover. Now let's check out the Image Person Remover. This one lets you remove a specific person from your photo. I'll upload a photo and just hit the Remove Now button. Select the person I don't want. In this case, the man in the white shirt walking in the background. And boom, man gone. Like they were never there. Hit Download to save your image. Step 4, more tools. And if that wasn't enough, Magic Eraser can also handle objects. Just choose the object remover, upload your picture, set the brush size, paint over the unwanted object, and click Remove Now. The AI instantly gives you a clean, perfect result. Even text on signs or boards can disappear. With the text remover again, upload a picture, just brush over the words, hit Remove, and watch the text vanish while keeping your photo natural. The best part, no complicated software, no Photoshop skills, no downloads, everything works instantly, online. Just head to magiceraser.org, try it out for free, and make your photos look clean and professional in seconds. And if you want to generate video with Google Veo 3, watch the video on the left. And if you want to generate a product avatar image, watch the video on the right.